The math social studies teacher is in the house. He's back again. That's right, May 21st, Thursday. All right, guys, this is the last assignment of the week. It was a total of 4 assignments. Each day you had an assignment that was due, little something each day. Today, you're going to learn about Abraham Lincoln and his role during the beginning of the war. All right, the first thing what I'm going to ask you to do is you're going to watch a brain pop about Abraham Lincoln. If you look over here, we have the login, MacArthur Bar Library. MacArthur Bar is a login. The password is library. You're going to put 3 facts here in the bottom about Abraham Lincoln. On the next slide, what was Lincoln's view on slavery? All right, what do you think he thought about slavery? And you're going to put in this little speech bubble, what do you think he thought about slavery? What do you think he was thinking in his brain? All right, give a couple thoughts about what he was thinking in his brain. All right, Lincoln transformed the country, but the country, when Lincoln was elected, split in 2. All right, so everything was going to be different. All right, so now that you're learning from the math social studies teacher, let's get a good trivia question. Wait. What was the answer to yesterday's trivia question? Employees of Dunder Mifflin is the show The Office. That's right, one of my favorites, The Office. All right, so today's trivia question is going to come from my son again. All right, he's going to give you guys today's trivia question.
Hi.
Ask your question.
What are 2 ingredients to make slime?
All right, what are 2 ingredients in making home slime? All right, guys, last assignment of the week. All right, try to get everything due today in, but you have until Friday at 8 o'clock to get all 4 assignments in. Peace. 2 fingers.